the animals. What does a dog eat? Bone. Good job! What does a cow eat? Grass. What does a hippopotamus eat? Leaves. Super! What does a panda eat? Bamboo. Amazing! What does a lion eat? Meat. Great job! What does a crocodile eat? Meat. You're doing great! What does a cat eat? Fish. You are too good! What does a bear eat? Honey. Excellent! What does a mouse eat? Cheese. Well done! What does an elephant eat? Leaves. Superb! What does a bee eat? Flower. Awesome! What does a fish eat? Worms. Magnificent! What does a frog eat? Bug. You're outstanding! What does a giraffe eat? Twig. Way to go! What does a horse eat? Apple. You are super! What does a kangaroo eat? Broccoli. Good job! What does a monkey eat? Banana. What does an ostrich eat? Flower. Super! What does a parrot eat? Chilli. Amazing! What does a penguin eat? Squid. Great job! What does a pig eat? Corn. You're doing good. What does a rabbit eat? Carrot. You are too good! What does a squirrel eat? Acorn. Excellent! What does a zebra eat? Twigs. Well done! What does a dog eat? Bone. Superb! What does a cow eat? Grass. Awesome! What does a hippopotamus eat? Leaves. Magnificent! What does a panda eat? Bamboo.